Okay, what is up here? The Folk Southern Railfanning Productions. Here today, this is going to be day 4 of Railfanning and Thomasville MC 175 sub special. As you can see, well, not as you can see now, but now you can see that I'm at this abandoned railroad track, but that track over there is mainline, double track mainline. We usually see that in Thomasville and High Point, which, yeah. So yeah, I just pick up the rail spike from that abandoned track right there, and yes, I am using a tripod. So yeah, so we're at this like neighborhood community. It's really fun, and this abandoned track right here used to be used by Norfolk Southern just to push cars around. They built a different one, which is now used by both Norfolk Southern and CSX, which is like down there somewhere, but you can't see it. Anyways, you're gonna see the next train in just a second. Here we go. Okay, that's terrible. Okay, our first train will be 119, which should be here any minute now. Be here soon, about like 8, probably an hour. I'll probably sit here for a long time. So yeah, let's just keep waiting. Okay, this is not too good of a shot. I'll probably just pan a little bit. There we go. Oh, I just adjusted a little bit. And there's a bridge over there. I know exactly what road that is, but I don't want to tell it because it's private information. Anyways, yeah. Expect to see a better shot than this the next time. What is happening? And yes, this is a quiet zone for trains. Trains will not be blasting their horn here. All we can tell is just by the lights and the engine roar. Hey, it looks like we got a high rail.
You didn't have to cut me off. No, we weren't nothing.
Hey, look, it's a low round. Alright, looks like we got an Amtrak here. Subscribe for more.